Video 19 of 24. Humming Breath Guided Meditation Practice. To begin, we'll perform 3 hand mudras. These are the same mudras as have been explained in previous videos. The first mudra will help to energize the body. The second helps to create a sense of peace and joy. And the third cultivates a feeling of trust. While performing each of these mudras, it will help to stretch the spinal passageway, allowing for the free flow of electrical currents up the nervous system and into the higher brain centers. Performing each of these mudras also helps to stretch the shoulder muscles, allowing us to settle into a more comfortable seated posture. So let's begin with the first hand mudra. Placing both your fisted hands in front of you with your elbows straight, allowing your arms to be relaxed. Inhale, filling your lungs. And exhale, pushing your right hand into your left hand. Inhale. Exhale. And one more time. And we'll perform the second hand mudra, placing both your hands on either side. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And now the third mudra, placing both your hands over your head, with your right hand underneath your left hand, relaxed. Inhale, filling your lungs. Exhale, pushing your right hand against your left hand. Relax, fill your lungs. Exhale, pushing your right hand against your left hand. Relax, inhale, filling your lungs. Exhale, pushing your right hand against your left hand. And now allow both your hands to fall in a comfortable position onto your lap. Sitting upright, with your feet flat on the ground, your shoulders back, chin parallel to the floor, spine erect. Close your eyes. And allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Bring your attention to that space in the center of your forehead, your mind's eye. Continuing to breathe naturally. Inhale through your nostrils, and on each exhalation, whenever it naturally occurs, make a humming sound. Breathing naturally, inhale, and on the exhalation, pay attention to the sound for as long as it naturally occurs. Breathing naturally, inhale, exhaling, paying attention to the vibration of the sound current throughout your head. Inhale, paying attention to the silence. Exhale, attentive to the sound vibration. Now close your ears, placing your fingers on your forehead and using your thumbs to close the tragus on each ear. Allow the deepening silence to draw you inward.